In cybersecurity, foresight is just as crucial as the immediate response. That's where threat exposure management, or TEM, comes into play. It's the convergence of vulnerability management, threat intelligence, and attack surface management. TEM is not a static shield, it's an active radar, continuously scanning for potential breaches and weak spots in our digital infrastructure. By 2026, continuous TEM, known as CTEM, will become the primary security strategy for most enterprises, according to Gartner's research. It's about consistent and relentless evaluation, a programmatic approach to cybersecurity. Current challenges in our field are stark. The Scientia Institute reveals most vulnerabilities linger unpatched, an oversight we cannot afford. To address this pressing issue, threat exposure management employs strategic prioritization. This method involves distinguishing between potential future threats and immediate risks. Specifically, TEM targets vulnerabilities with available exploit code, as these are far more likely to be exploited by attackers, necessitating urgent attention and action. In essence, threat exposure management transcends being a mere addition to security measures. It represents a fundamental change toward a strategy that is both more robust and smarter in its approach to cybersecurity. Adopt TEM and ensure your organization's cyber defenses are proactive, intelligent, and robust. With threat exposure management, fortify your cybersecurity strategy. Be proactive, intelligent, and resilient. Ensure your digital realm is safeguarded with continuous vigilance. Until next time, maintain a stance of safety and security. Be vigilant, be aware, and above all, be prepared.